So I had to take a short walk today. Has been inside all day with my daughter. She is sick. Cross my finger, it's not the virus, but you never know. We got her tested today, so hopefully she's fine. So we're gonna have a big party this weekend, so hopefully she's okay. That's what I hope. We will see. But yeah, so I just taking a short hike. My wife is home with our daughter, so I can take a little hike, and I wanted to test two mics I have today. The DJI wireless mic connected to the Osmo Pocket, DJI Pocket 2, and my Rode wireless Go. I'm recording internally on the Rode. I just want to compare the two mics and see and listen side by side how the audio quality is. The DJI Rode wireless Go 2 should be a little bit sharper and cleaner, the audio, I think, but you never know. This is a wireless recording. I tested it connected to with a receiver and a transmitter. This time it's only wireless, recording my voice internally on the Rode wireless Go. So it's a beautiful day in Norway. It's actually quite warm to be in the middle of September soon. We had pretty nice weather, some days with rain, but it's a bunch of fog, as you can see. I'm going to turn the camera. I'm recording everything in normal color profile today in 4K 30. I just want to show you. So it's quite foggy and cloudy, but the weather is really beautiful. It's a little bit wind, not that much. How is the exposure on the camera? Everything is set to auto. This is a beautiful place. It really is. And I can hear some boats pretty far away from here. You can listen to the beautiful boat sound. I really love that. So this is a place I go to quite often, actually, just to relax and look at the sea and get some ideas and just relax. So this is why I could never live inside a city when it's busy all the time. This is so beautiful. And it's nice to see the shadows of the islands quite far away. It's really beautiful. It's really nice. I'm gonna turn the camera on me and the face tracking is on. Yeah, so this is a really beautiful place. Just fun to test this wireless mic and see how good they actually are. I'm pretty impressed with the DJI wireless mic. It sounds pretty good. So of course you can tweak the audio in post, but this time I just want to test it straight out of the mics. No tweaking in post, just to listen to the audio. This is lovely. So I hadn't been out so much lately recording and posting videos. I had a good bunch of videos for a couple of weeks now. Try to post as often as I can, but sometimes you get a little bit unmotivated and you have to take a little break and just relax. It's fun to be outside and recording and shooting, but you have to have some kind of ideas too. It's really difficult, the YouTube thing, to create a bunch of videos, especially when you have limited of gear, of course. A bunch of the newer channels, or bigger channels, I mean, has gear posted to them all the time, so they can test and review and get the views and subscribers. But we smaller channels have to be as creative as we can and try to build our channel step by step. And that's my plan. I just want to build my channel step by step. I can't afford to buy really expensive equipment all the time and test it and sell it again and do whatever. I just have to make something with the gear I have. So, but this is quite nice. So this is just a mic test with the Rode Wireless Go 2, the wireless mic, recorded internal with the DJI wireless mic. So I really love the Pocket 2 as well. It's a pretty good pocket camera, and I'm going to use this a lot. I just got it for a couple of weeks ago, so I'm going to use this pretty much. I'm planning to do a bunch of videos and exploring different places, and so if you enjoy my content, so why not subscribe? It's free, and it's just fun to hang out and discuss. But let's walk back and see how the colors look. It's quite late at night now, so the sun is really low in the sky and it's foggy. So it's fun to see how good this camera performs in low light. So let's do that. So this is a really beautiful place. Hatlevik, just outside of Bergen City. Really small place. We are about 1,500 people living here. This used to be an island, but they connected it to Askøy, so it's not an island, but Askøy is an island connected with a bridge to Bergen, the second biggest city in Norway. So let's head back. Let's walk this way. And the stabilization on this Pocket 2 is extremely good. It should be. It's a mechanical gimbal, so it should be pretty good. And this is really nice time to be outside. Quiet, not that many people. The only thing late at night is a bunch of mosquitoes. I'm not enjoying that. But we have to sacrifice something to be outside in nature. So this is a really short hike from my home. It's only, let's walk this way, 10-minute walk. This is a place I usually run quite a lot. I have not been running too much lately because I have a really bad knee, so I have to take care of that. So it's not that easy to run. But I'm planning to do a bunch of runs this year and next year, because I'm gonna try to compete on trail run. It's a 100-kilometer run. That's my plan, so we will see how that goes. But then I have to fix my knee. Be careful. Hope the sound quality is good. I'm gonna switch between the different mics on and off just to see how good the audio is. And the normal color profile is pretty good on the Osmo and the DJI Pocket 2. Everything is set to auto. The only thing I don't like that much in the normal color profile is the skin tones. It looks a little bit funny. Let's switch back on me. And the face tracking is on. And the face tracking on this camera is pretty good. The only thing I see so far is when you're going in and out of low light condition, when the lighting is switching back and forward, it sometimes loses you, but quickly catch on again. So that's really nice. And I really love the low weight on this camera. It's so easy to carry, not dragging around my big Panasonic camera. And I've been going a little bit back and forward if I'm gonna sell my G9. I'm not quite sure. It depends on what direction I will go with my channel. We will see. But I really love that camera. The IBIS and stabilization is excellent. And the image quality is really, really good. Everybody knows that the autofocus on the G9 isn't the best, but I think it's good enough. But I'm still learning the camera. I haven't used it that much, but I'm planning to do that if I'm not selling it. We will see. If somebody will pay me good money for it, maybe I will sell it and buy something else. I'm not quite sure. Always fun to switch some gear, and hopefully one day my channel can get some sponsors so I can test and review some gear. But I'm always going to be 100% telling the truth, because I'm sick and tired of watching other channels only telling lies all the time because they get free gear. Let's switch again. We're going into a little bit of low light, so let's see how that turns out. Is it looking good? What a call-outs. This is a nice little camera, for sure. Quite fun to play with. Can't wait to go into Bergen City and use this camera and film a little bit. God, it's a lot of mosquitoes here. I don't know if you can see it. This is some green moss. And I like the colors of the DJI product, not that much saturated as it is on the GoPro cameras. I think they are too much. Let's turn back on me. Okay guys, this was over for this time. I hope you enjoyed this short little talk. Just testing the two wireless mics. Always fun to see which one I'm going to use more. But I'm not quite sure, I have to say. We have to listen to the sound together, but I really like the size of the DJI mic. It's quite small, not that visible as the Rode. It's quite big and bulky. Of course you can hide a little bit more, and I have the lavalier mic. That's pretty nice. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe. It's free and it's easy, so I really hope you enjoy this short video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.